Yo guys, what's good? So, now we know how to shift gears on the touchscreen of the refreshed S and X. Another refreshed S was spotted with the Yoke steering wheel, and the Kilowatt spotted 3 Model X's and a Model S outside the Fremont Factory. And also we're currently at 181 subscribers, so before you continue with the video, hit the subscribe button. Let's make it to 200 subscribers. So, let's dive right in. So I want to start off by taking a look at how you shift gears on the touchscreen of the refreshed S, and I'm already impressed. So this 3D car icon that's placed on the left side of the touchscreen, if you swipe down, it shifts it into reverse, and if you swipe up, it shifts it into drive. And this is such a smart place to put this button in for shifting gears. It will be so easy to access to that button because it's right there for you, so close to you. And this is great for people who don't want the vehicle to automatically shift gears. So now let's take a look at the refreshed S spotted with the Yoke steering wheel. So here it is, guys. This model has the arachnid wheels and the red exterior. Here's a view of the front. Even though they barely changed the exterior, it looks like it's a brand new car with this new fog lights design and this new grille. It just complements the overall design of the vehicle so good. But let's get to the main part, which is this model has the Yoke steering wheel. If you look through the window, you can clearly see it has the Yoke steering wheel. So you guys can get a good look at this refreshed S. So now let's take a look at the refreshed S and X's spotted by the Kilowatts outside the Fremont Factory. So we're going to start off by taking a look at the refreshed S. This model has the blue exterior and the arachnid wheels. I'm a fan of that. I like the blue exterior more than the red on the Model S, even though red is my favorite color. And the arachnid wheels just complements the blue even better. It appears to be that it does have the regular steering wheel. We can't really tell much in this photo. Now let's get to the more exciting part, which is the refreshed X is spotted. So this is one of the refreshed X, which has the red exterior, and we can't really see it well in this picture because the camera was not focused onto the vehicle. But if the camera was in focus on the vehicle, we could have seen a little bit of the interior. But anyways, here's another refreshed X, and you guys can get a good look at that black trim and that new rear diffuser, and it appears to be that this model has the black exterior. Here's another refreshed X, which has the black exterior and the black trim. You guys can get a good look at that black trim and the rear diffuser. But yeah, I can't wait for deliveries of these refreshed X's to start too. And also I'm very excited for version 11 software update to be released. I can't wait for bird's eye view to come, like so much stuff coming with version 11. So this is gonna be it for this short video. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, comment, and see you in the next one.